Hi and welcome to the F55 Quick Start Guide. In this short video I would like to explain you the main functions of the F55 and how to operate the device safely. Within this YouTube playlist we have more videos on, for example, how to flip up the subframe for transport, how to dock the device on the chair, and further technical videos. But let's start with the most important instructions. Before you operate your F55 for the first time, you want to fully charge the battery. You will find a service instruction on how to charge the battery and how to attach the battery to the F55 within this YouTube playlist as well. After having fully charged the battery and attached it to the device, you have to switch the battery on. There are two power on switches on the device. One is located on the left hand side of the battery. You have to push this button and fully depress it in order to switch the battery on. The second power on switch is on the F55's display. You have to push the button until the display lights up. Once you switch the display on, you can preset your speed mode using the plus and minus buttons. You can see on the right hand corner of the display, you can see that number. 1 is the lowest speed mode, and then you can increase that up to 3, which is the highest speed mode. Maximum speed will always be reached on the highest speed mode, which is number 3. By shortly depressing the on and off button, you can cycle through the display modes, starting with trip distance, trip time, power consumption, odometer, max speed and average speed. You can always find further details on your display, like for example setting the units or resetting your display in your owner's manual. By depressing and holding the plus button, you can switch the LED front light on and off. Safety first. Before I explain the throttle functions on your F55, I would like to explain you how the braking system works. Your F55 is equipped with two independent braking systems. You have one mechanical disc brake, which is mounted to the front wheel, and as secondary braking systems, an electric brake system. Mechanical brake first, it works just as on your bicycle. You simply pull the lever and the F55 will decelerate. The braking lever is equipped with a sensor switch. As soon as you pull the braking lever, the electric motor will cut off immediately. Secondary brake system is an electric brake system. You have this little braking pedal down here. If you depress it, the electric motor will turn into a generator and decelerate the device as well. Second on the handlebar is the forward-reverse switch. If you push it forward, the F55 will move in a forward direction. If you pull it rearwards, the F55 is in reverse. Please keep in mind that changing direction is only possible if you're at a standstill with the F55. Right below the forward and reverse switch is the cruise control button. If you press this button at any speed, the F55 will coast at your desired speed. You can even release the throttle. Now moving on to the right hand side of the handlebar, this is where the fun begins, the throttle lever. By simply depressing the throttle lever with your thumb, you can modulate speed of the F55 until you reach the preset maximum speed. Before setting off to your first ride, please read all safety instructions in the owner's manual carefully and familiarize yourself with the F55.